Now our topic is national education policy. We are talking about the education, with a policy which brings long overdue positive changes in our entire education system. There is no rigid distinctions between arts, science, and commerce. Less road learning, more positive learning will be there. Students can choose their courses themselves. Now we are going to talking about internship. This policy says that kids between 6th to 8th grades should have a fun course. For that, education should be more fun and they show interest to learn something. Gardener, carpenter, electricians are important and their work has value. And our education system needs to have a place for them. Students should get practical knowledge, not only the theoretical knowledge. Technical skills such as coding will be taught at the school level. A bachelor's period will be introduced for 10 days a year, which promotes our students to learn new skills. Students actually learn how things works in the real world. Now we are going to talk about the language. Language should be a bridge, not a barrier. Being able to generalize them is more important. The language doesn't matter as much as your content. English helps in getting jobs and it gives you a global outreach and it is definitely important. But if a family is not comfortable in English, then they should have an option to learn in their local language or learn in their mother tongue. This policy says that the gap between local language and learning language should be reduced. At least till 5th standard, one should have the facility to learn in their local language or in their mother tongue. In fact, this policy appreciates our multilingual culture. It recognizes the importance of our local language. UNESCO says that 197 languages are endangered. In the last 50 years, we have lost 220 languages already. As the language dies, the ancient knowledge dies as well. 85% brain development happens before the kids turn 6. Children pick up new language easily. Now we are going to talking about the higher educations. In this policy, Indian universities can set up their campus abroad and from the top 100 universities, top 100 foreign universities can set up their campus in India. More than 750,000 students are abroad in 2018. They prefer taking higher education from abroad and as a result, a major brain drain happens in India. Our best students go abroad of India and pays a lot of money. As a result, our best talents goes out of India. This policy accepts its flaws and wants to act on it. This policy wants to setting fees limits for different courses. Studying in foreign universities is just an option. In fact, healthy competition is better for the consumer. Jai Hind.